Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Cyntax Error. In this video, we will be learning about how we can return values in function, or we can say return values from a function in C programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In all our previous videos, we used revoid as a return type, right? Because our function not used to return any values. In last video, we passed argument and parameters. So now what we want is we want our add function, this one, to return the sum, and we'll print that value, the sum, in a main program or in the main function. So let us see an example. When we calling add function, we will write int sum is equal to add. Okay, the function will call a function after this assignment operator. So the value which the add function will return will get stored in this sum variable, right? Now in the declaration function declaration, here we change the return type to int, as we will be returning an integer value. Please note this will change according to the data type, right? If we are returning any float value, it will become float and so on. Now this function takes the argument and adds the number. We want it to return the sum as well. So we will do it with the help of a return keyword. We'll write return and the value we want to return. Here we want to return is the sum. So we'll write return a plus b. Done. Now we'll just have to print the sum in our main function. Let us run the program. As you all can see, the program executed successfully without any errors, right? So now you all can write this in one printf statement as well. Let me show you all how you can do it. Let us run the code, and the code is successful, right? So guys, this is how you return values from a function in C programming language. Please do some research and experiment things by yourself. I hope you all did like this video. Please give it a like and share with your friends and family. Do follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Link will be in the description. Thank you. Happy programming.